to understand the reason you left me. What were you going through? I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. As I look around, I see things that remind me. Just to see a smile made my heart feel with joy. I still recall all those dreams we shared together. When you were a boy, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Sometimes I wonder, I didn't understand just where you were trying to go. Only you knew the plan. And I tried to be there, but you wouldn't let me in. But now you've gone away, but I feel so broken hearted. I knew the day we started that we were meant to be. Only you left me. I've got so many tears, got these all my things. We let time slip away. I need you more, even now. There was so much you gave to my heart, to my soul. There was so much of your dreams that were never told. You had so much hope for a brighter day. How you I thought plucked away. Tell me why the road turns. Tell me why the road turns. Tell me why. Tell me why the road turns.
You never know when it's gonna be your time.
Sitting in the dead of thinking about all my homies passed away. 2020 Cadillac, triple gold. That's how me and my boys rolling. How could it be? Somebody took my boy from me. My best friend's gone, and I'm so all alone. sad to see my nigga in the dirt. The game got me working, I be working, never jerking, still blowing W for you, cause I know you're up there working. Your little baby's cool and your baby mama's straight, but today's a sad day to see your t-shirts with your face. From the cradle to the grave, from the streets we used to fall in the punch you like the ball, put your name up on the wall. The projects use a legend on the streets, it was a star. But it's sad to see my homeboy riding in that black car. A lot of soldiers done died, a lot of mothers done cried. You took your piece of the pie, you was too young and retired. Why soldiers ride for your name, leave it in vain. Some G's never change, they have to kill you for some change. Smile for my homie Kevin, cause my boy ran with every ghetto person that lost their loved ones to these ghetto stamps. Somebody took my boy from me. It's like I can't really believe you gone, dog. Sometimes I feel like I can't let go. Every time I see something that you left, it just reminds me more and more, dog. I just keep reminiscing, cause I know you're love. I keep smiling, knowing that I'm seeing the crossroads.
Rip on the brain and flip and candy toys, but I give up all that bullshit if I could get back my boy. Off in the club, smoking weed till 3, hollering at the hoes, spending $2,000 on me, on gators and clothes. When I turned to rap, he had to chase the game. Nigga told me CD that dope, cause rapping is your thing. I ain't gon' even lie, some nights I ride and cry. One day ride, the good niggas always the ones to die. So I just smoke my weed and try to clear my mind. I wish that I had the power to turn back the hands of time. I wonder if there's a heaven up there for real G's, for all the niggas in the game that be selling keys. I keep my memories, try to keep my head strong, but baby it's hard to be strong when your main homie gone.
Even if you're gone, you can't be forgotten. Cause long as I'm living, you and all other people. I'm just sitting here, days thinking about all the times we had, thinking about the past. Some was good and some was bad. Remember Dante? It was a group of us, just a group of 5. Now 3 dead, 1 in jail. And see right now I'm the only one alive. To all my soldiers before me, may y'all rest in peace. When he took my souls, the bodies hit the corner, broken God sides the rest of me. Wishing I could wind time like demos. Me and the girls write numbers down like memos. Making $1 bills, making out money stretch like limos. Even my smile, but it's sad. But they say gangsters can't cry, but it close my eyes, visualize me together and I suddenly wanna smile and see you lay down when it's your time. When the time is up, you never seen a child, but he here to remind us. And even though you was wrong, I never could believe that was true. You was with me forever. You can check my rest in peace tattoos. See, me and PNC forever. I'm gonna be riding and thugging. Rest in peace to all the ones that made me. And rest in peace to my brother. We gon' miss you. I love you. Every time I get on my knees, I pray for you. Glad you left the blaze. You see no more killing. Ain't no more fights. It ain't no more.